The festive season can be fun, but it's often a time of overspending and disrupted routines. If you're feeling the financial and mental strain when the new year rolls around, here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you recover and get back on track. First, review and plan your finances. Check your spending by taking a look at your holiday expenses. Identify where you might have overspent, such as gifts, food, or travel, and how it's affected your bank balance. This will give you a clear picture of what needs to be addressed. Next, set a budget for the year. Create a realistic budget that accounts for your regular expenses and leaves space to recover. If you're in debt from the holidays, prioritize paying it off in small, manageable amounts each month. Track your spending using a simple app or spreadsheet to monitor your expenses in real time. Knowing where your money goes helps avoid surprise expenses and keeps you accountable. Second, start with small, achievable goals. Ease back into your routine without rushing to catch up on everything. Pick a few tasks you need to tackle first, whether it's getting back to work or handling a household project. Start small and build momentum. Break down bigger goals into monthly or even weekly actions. For example, if you want to save $1,200 this year, aim for $100 per month. Third, take care of yourself. Rest and recharge, as the holidays can be mentally and physically exhausting. Prioritize self-care by getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and making time for activities you enjoy, even if it's just a quiet walk or reading. Start moving, as physical activity is a great way to shake off any post-holiday sluggishness. You don't need to jump into intense workouts. Start with something simple like walking, stretching, or yoga to get your energy flowing again. Fourth, look for extra ways to earn. If you need to boost your income quickly, consider freelancing. Offer your skills in writing, design, or other services online through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Sell unused items by going through your house and finding things you don't use anymore. Selling unwanted clothes, gadgets, or furniture can give you some quick cash to help ease the financial gap. Gig work through apps like Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit offers flexible, short-term opportunities to earn extra money without committing long-term. Fifth, stay organized and plan your year. Create a yearly plan using a calendar or planner to break your year into manageable chunks. Set key goals, such as career, finances, and personal growth, and schedule tasks you'll need to complete each month to stay on track. Establish routines by creating daily or weekly schedules to keep you productive. It could be as simple as setting specific times for work, meals, exercise, and relaxation. Routines help create stability after the chaos of the holidays. Sixth, be smart with spending. Find discounts and sales, as many stores offer deep discounts after the holidays. Use this time to buy things you genuinely need, such as clothing, home goods, or groceries, without overspending. Use cashback and rewards by ensuring you're utilizing any cashback apps or credit card rewards to save on future purchases. Even small savings add up over time. Seventh, get support where needed. Seek help if financial stress is too much. If you're feeling overwhelmed by debt or financial strain, there are resources to help, such as local charities, financial counseling services, or online tools that can guide you through managing debt and budgeting. Connect with others, as you don't have to go through this alone. Share your plans with friends or family members who can support you and hold you accountable. Finally, adopt a growth mindset. Focus on small wins, as every step you take toward recovery, whether it's saving money, completing tasks, or simply getting through the day, should be celebrated. Small wins keep you motivated and create positive momentum. Reflect on your lessons learned by taking a moment to think about what the holidays taught you. Maybe you learned you need to plan better for future holidays, or that you can find more affordable ways to celebrate. Use this reflection to improve your future planning. By taking these simple and practical steps, you can get back on your feet after the holidays and set yourself up for a successful and balanced year. It's about creating small habits that lead to big changes, slowly but surely.